MDF. Cabinet-mounted display light illuminates your dartboard, enhancing your visibility and transforms your game room into a true centerpiece. Features 3 adjustable bright and energy-efficient LED light pods, delivering a crisp, clear view at any distance. Mounting hardware is included, allowing for easy installation to any flattop dartboard cabinet. Display light flips up, allowing you to close your cabinet. Requires 4 AA batteries or the use of an external power supply adapter, 5V, 1000 mAh, to operate, which are sold separately. GLD Products proudly stands by the quality of their products, offering a limited 1-year manufacturer warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Great light, Pics show light off and light on. Purchased a dartboard in a cabinet and realized that it was very dark when playing. Purchased the battery-operated light to provide extra light. The light uses 4 AA batteries and I had it installed in a few minutes. The light connects to the dartboard via 2 hinges so the light can flip up and over when not in use. The hinges are already secured to the light. Secured the hinges to the dartboard with the screws provided, find them in one of the battery compartments. For ease, I pre-frilled a starter hole and installed the screws by hand with a screwdriver. I am very impressed with this light and have attached pictures with the light off and when the light is flipped down and turned on. I would definitely purchase this again. Reviewed by G. Swanson.